Unveiling the Mystery. What does living under a rock really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might have heard in English conversations: living under a rock. Have you ever wondered what it really means and how you can use it in your daily English? Well, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together and uncover its meaning and usage. Stay tuned. The phrase, living under a rock, is a popular idiom in the English language. But what does it actually mean? To live under a rock implies being unaware or ignorant of what is happening around you. It's often used to describe someone who seems not to know about common knowledge or current events that are widely discussed or known by the general public. This expression paints a picture of a person being so isolated, like living under a literal rock, that they miss out on what everyone else knows. It's a metaphorical way of saying that someone is out of touch with reality or the latest news. To get a better grasp of how to use living under a rock, let's look at some examples. 1. Do you really not know the latest hit song by The Weeknd? Have you been living under a rock? 2. She asked me who Elon Musk was. It's like she's been living under a rock. 3. If you haven't heard about the new environmental policy, you must be living under a rock. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from pop culture references to discussions about current events or widely known facts. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is key to sounding natural in English conversations. Here are some tips. Use it informally. This phrase is best suited for informal settings among friends or in casual conversations. It might be considered rude or too casual in formal contexts. To express surprise, it's often used to express astonishment or disbelief that someone is unaware of something significant or obvious. Be mindful of the tone. While it can be used humorously, ensure your tone doesn't come across as insulting or overly critical. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, living under a rock. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and enrich your language skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.